and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai delivered a keynote address at the India AI Impact Summit 2026 today, where he reflected on his personal journey and unveiled a major infrastructure commitment to India's digital future. Addressing a distinguished audience at Bharat Mandapam, the Google chief reminisced about his student days to highlight the rapid transformation of the Indian landscape. Prime Minister Modi and distinguished leaders, it's wonderful to be back in India. Every time I visit, I am struck by the pace of change, and today is no different. Back when I was a student, I often took the Coromandel Express train from Chennai to IIT Kharagpur. To get there, we passed through Visakhapatnam. I remember it being a quiet and modest coastal city, brimming with potential. Pichai said. The CEO used this personal anecdote to draw a parallel with Google's ambitious plan for the same city, which is now at the heart of the tech giant's global AI strategy. Now, in the same city, Google is establishing a full stack AI hub as part of our $15 billion infrastructure investment in India. When finished, this hub will house gigawatt scale compute and a new international subsea cable gateway, bringing jobs and cutting edge AI to people and businesses across India. He added, this landmark announcement underscores a significant expansion of Google's footprint in India, transforming Visakhapatnam into a global node for artificial intelligence. The hub is expected to provide the foundational full-stack infrastructure necessary to power next-generation AI services, reinforcing India's position as a pivotal player in the global technology ecosystem. Such advancement align with the broader objectives of the India AI Summit 2026, which brings together nations and international institutions and reflects India's focus on multilateral collaboration. The summit, hosted from February 16 to 20, aims to use AI to address global challenges and unlock new opportunities for shared growth. The 5-day event is anchored in three foundational pillars or sutras: people, planet, and progress. These themes have remained at the forefront since the Prime Minister inaugurated the India AI Impact Expo 2026 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi on Monday. Of course, he said he would be more impressed if it worked on India's busy road, still working on that one. That this progress shows what's possible when humanity dreams big, and no technology has me dreaming bigger than AI. It is the biggest platform shift of our lifetime. We are on the cusp of hyper progress and new discoveries that can help emerging economies leapfrog legacy gap. But that outcome is neither guaranteed nor automatic. To build AI that is truly helpful for everyone, we must pursue it boldly, approach it responsibly, and work through this defining moment together. Because AI can improve billions of lives and solve some of the hardest problems in science. For 50 years, predicting protein structures was a grand challenge and a blind spot that stalled drug discovery. Demis Hassabis and his team of Google DeepMind asked an audacious question: how could we use AI to solve this? That question led to Alphabet Fold. This breakthrough didn't just win a Nobel Prize, it compressed decades of research into a database that is now open to the world. Today, over 3 million researchers in more than 190 countries are using it to develop malaria vaccine, fight antibiotic resistance, and much more. Isomorphic Labs is taking this further into drug discovery, reimagining what it takes to bring life-saving medicines faster with AI. And we are asking similarly bold questions across the scientific stack, from cataloging DNA disease markers to building AI agents that act as true partners in the scientific method. We must be equally bold in tackling problems in regions that have lacked access to technology. Take AI Salvador, for example, where Google has partnered with the government to bring affordable AI powered diagnosis and treatment to thousands who could never afford to see a doctor. Or in India, where our work together is helping farmers protect their livelihoods in the face of monsoon. Last summer, for the first time, the Indian government sent AI powered forecasts to millions of farmers, possible in part because of our neural GCM model. I see language inclusion as another exciting ambition. In Ghana, we are collaborating with universities and NGOs to expand research and open source tools across more than 20 African languages. We need this bold thinking in more places to tackle more problems across health, education, economic opportunity, and more. Technology brings incredible benefits, but we must ensure everyone has access to them. We cannot allow the digital divide to become an AI divide. That means investing in compute infrastructure and connectivity. I mentioned our Bijag investment, and we have others in Thailand, Malaysia, and more. We are also building a vast network of subsea fiber optic cables, including 4 new systems between the US and India as part of our America India Connect initiative. Responsibility also means navigating profound economic shift. AI will undeniably reshape the workforce, automating some roles, evolving others, and creating entirely new careers. 20 years ago, the concept of a professional YouTube creator didn't exist. Today, there are upwards of 60 million around the world. Training is crucial. We have trained 100 million people in digital skills, and our new Google AI professional certificate will help people master AI in their jobs, available globally. Finally, trust is the bedrock of adoption. We have created tools like SynthID, used by journalists and citizens, fact checkers globally to help verify the authenticity of the content you read and see. But no matter how bold we are or how responsible, we won't realize AI's full benefit unless we work together. Governments have a vital role that includes as regulators, setting important rules of the road and addressing key risks, and also as an innovators, bringing AI to public services that improve lives and accelerating adoption of these technologies for people and businesses. There are glimmers of this from around the globe.